Hi there! I didn't know you were here. Okay. Oh, that's my money, not yours. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's just Ellen. In today's video, I'm going to share some secrets with you. And I'm gonna tell you how to make some extra money in Poland. Some extra money and not to lose it. And make some new friends. So if you are interested, if you're in need of some money, keep watching the video and don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. So as you might already know, I moved to Warsaw around like 2 weeks ago. And I have no job. You know that it is quite difficult right now because it's the pandemic and yeah, I'm unemployed for a moment. So I started to look for some sort of source of money. And if you watched my previous video, I will leave the link up here. You know that I don't have many friends here. So I wanted to make some friends and I didn't want to use only Tinder for that. Yes, I tried it. It didn't really work that well, so because nobody there wants to make friends. Maybe there's some exceptions, but yeah, you know that app. And I also wanted the female friends. So I added myself to this group on Facebook. In Polish it's called Aktorzy Statyści Epizodyści, and there they post some auditions for like TV series, for the movies, and most of the time it's just the audition for the extras. So if you don't know, extra is the person who is only in the background in a particular scene. And they are paying, so I applied for this role as an extra, and for your application you basically need your name, last name, your phone number, the age because it is also very important, and 2 pictures. The picture of your face, the portrait, and the picture of your whole body. And after I applied, on the same evening they sent me the message if I am still interested. I confirmed it. They sent me the details of the location, of the outfit that I needed to wear. Yes, I needed to wear an outfit, except for when you're, for example, the bartender, the waiter, or the nurse, the doctor. They give you some additional items for your wardrobe. The next morning at 6 we had the gathering in front of some place which I don't know because I'm so new to Warsaw and I have no idea what the names of the streets are. And it was so close to my apartment, so it took me only 10 minutes and I slept that night only 3 hours, so I was exhausted and I had dark circles under my eyes. So yeah. Of course, I applied some makeup. I applied the concealer, the foundation, everything except the mascara because I know that the mascara you can apply also there. They're also, of course, fixing your makeup once you get there. This is for girls, but for guys too. Like they're applying some translucent powder so that you don't shine on the camera. And yeah, basically I went there and I will insert the footage here. Okay guys, so it's so early, it's like 5:30 a.m. and I'm going on a set and I'm going to be an extra in this romantic comedy. And I have here my clothes. I'm already wearing the pants. Well, this is not the sweater that I'm gonna wear, but yeah, I'm taking it with me. So basically I went there and it was quite cold because it was like 6 a.m. in the morning, and there was how many, like, was it like 10? Yeah, it was like 10 people there, 10, 15, not more than 15 for sure. Yeah, and they were all waiting and they were my age. Some of them were older, maybe like above 50, because they need diversity and different kinds of people, different ages. we were shooting in a restaurant. This was a restaurant scene, so we were just being the guests of the restaurant, just in the background. I was not an actor, I wish. And yeah, of course you know that this is a pandemic period, so in Poland there is like more than 10,000 infected people every day, and the crew and the technical personnel, they needed to take some precautions, so we got tested for the COVID-19. Hey guys, so here is the coronavirus test, and we're going to get tested before the shooting. But I'm not sure that it was the test for the COVID-19. It was the test for the antibodies of the COVID-19, because we got tested through our finger. It was not through our nostrils, and I was so happy because I've seen the videos of people really being in pain from that test. I didn't want anybody to dig into my brain, because nobody knows what you can find in there. It's complicated. After the test, we were still waiting like 20-25 minutes. The women from the wardrobe, they came and they checked our outfits if they were alright. Mine was alright, and I was so happy because I didn't want to change. I just needed to change my shoes and wear the high heels, but I did that there. So we then were moved to the restaurant, to our location where we were filming, and we were asked to wait. So we were basically taken downstairs in the restaurant where there is the toilets, and we were in the, where is that called? A lobby. In a lobby, it was like a waiting place, and so we just sat down there. Then I changed. I'm in the restaurant, and it's the set of the romantic comedy, and I came here as an extra, so you will see me in the movie. Yeah, I will be a guest, and this is what I'm wearing. Oh, and I also forgot to mention that they gave us breakfast. It was like a sandwich, and we could have tea or the coffee. Also, we had the lunch. It was somewhere around 2 p.m. It was like a soup. It was pretty delicious, but it was a little too salty for me, I won't lie. We also got this sweet bun. The glazed bun, which I didn't really like because it was way too sweet for me. Okay, so I'm weird. It's either way too salty, way too sweet, way too sour, blah blah blah. And yeah, never mind. After that we went back and we continued the shooting. Of course I was not in the scene for the whole time, and I was sitting by the table. It was like the couch like that, not like that, but it was a couch. It was a seat. And there was another guy, also an extra, who sat next to me, and we were just talking very silently, not to disturb the filming, and we were just looking at the menu, or menu. So after that, it lasted like 5 minutes, and then we were asked to go down to the lobby and wait, because then they set the cameras where we were sitting, so basically we were not needed anymore. And I will tell you how long the filming lasts. Usually it's like 12 hours, and the countdown starts from the time you're gathering, so it was from the 6 a.m. till 4. Also I met this like 3 or 4 guys and 2 girls, and those girls were also new to us, so they just moved, so we had something in common, a passion for acting and for the cameras. And yeah, it was pretty fun. Okay guys, so we already finished the shooting of the scene in the restaurant, and I will not show it to you because I cannot. And yeah, I met some nice friends.
Hello,
guys.
my friend.
So yeah, you see, when you come to Warsaw, you're alone at first, but then you apply for the extra job in a movie set and you find lots of friends. Every extras group has its own supervisor. He gave us the money. It was like 80 zloty, and it's not a lot, but for one day of filming, it's fine, you know, like you're just an extra. Of course, you can get some roles where you will have the text and you will have to actually do some acting. I love to get that one day. So if any producer is watching my video, you can hit me up if you have something. I'm open for that. Oh, I would be more than happy to play in your movie or TV series or whatever. So it was over and we said goodbyes to each other. It was fun. I got a little tired, I won't lie, because I didn't sleep that much during the night. I'd say that that was a great experience for me because first I got to meet new friends, new people. I got some extra cash, which I needed. And I got to do some little acting, like talking to the person next to me by the table and seeing how everything is filmed. And I respect the filmmaking industry because it's not easy. Like, they're taking the whole day to film one scene. Wow. But what I wanted to say is that it doesn't matter if you're Polish or if you're a foreigner, you can get a job as an extra. Because an extra doesn't need to speak. So it doesn't matter if you don't speak Polish. You can just know a little bit of it just to understand what the producer asks you to do and where you need to sit or stand, or basically where you need to be on the scene. It is a great opportunity for you to meet new people and to get some extra money. I mean, who doesn't want some extra money in their life, especially in a new city? Okay guys, so that was it for the video. I hope that you got some information on where you can get some extra money, and if you have any questions about being an extra or about anything that I talked about during this video, don't hesitate to ask right down in the comments and I will answer them all, that's for sure. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also ring the bell button so you get notified every time I upload. And thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Peace!